And we're back. This time I want to show you some text in letter effects in Adobe Illustrator. Let us start with the type tool. I type in an uppercase A and I resize it holding Shift and Alt. As a font, it's important to use a bold font. So this font Eras Bold is bold by nature, but let us use a different one. Let's use Myriad Variable Concept and we will make that bold. And we use the semi-extended version. I'll align it properly. Now go to Object and Expand. Make sure Object and Fill are checked, then click OK. We go again to Object, then Compound Path and Release. So now we've got two shapes, they are grouped, so if we select it, right click and ungroup. You can see we have two shapes. Let me undo that, Ctrl Z. I only select the outer shape and then I activate the type tool and I click on the path. And now the shape is filled with this lorem ipsum text. We can adjust it by using the type tool, then Ctrl A to select it all. And we can decrease or increase the distance between the letters, increase, decrease the font weight. And we can select individual words like this one and delete it because that didn't look good. Let me make some of these letters red. That's fine. So this is one text effect that we can use. I have it justified as an alignment, so make sure that you've got that yourself. Let us look into another effect. We start out with the A once more in the same font and style, so we keep that. Object, Expand, Object and Fill OK, Object, Compound Path and Release. And now we will ungroup it once more, so right click ungroup. We only select the outer one and we use the type on path tool and click on the path. Or we only select the inner shape and use the type on path tool again. Now we've got this effect. Whenever I size it up or down, I hold Shift and Alt. Let me show you another one. We use the type tool again to create our A in the font that we've used for the other two examples. Once again, Object, Expand, Object and Fill, OK, and then release the compound path. We ungroup it, right click ungroup and only select the inner shape, then we press Ctrl C and Ctrl B, so we have it copied and then paste it in the back. So we've got two of them now. Now we select the outer shape and use the type tool, click on the path. And now we select the inner shape, use the type tool, click on the path. So you can't see the text now, but it's there. We need to select it, use the type tool, press Ctrl A, and now we'll give it a white color. We can adjust that once more with the font weight, the distance between the letters. Just try to find something that you like. And now you can see we've got white text on top of a dark black triangle. You can resize that directly. Let me try. And that looks nice, we can keep it. So this is another way to create such a text effect. And let us try a final one. It's just a variation of the ones that we've already created. The same method. So object expand and then release the compound path. Right click ungroup, and we'll make the inner one white and only add with the type tool a text to the outer shape. And this is more like the classical effect that you might have seen. Oh, I did a mistake here. Let me press Ctrl Z and undo that. Obviously you can use your own text, so you don't have to use the lorem ipsum text. Just copy it from a Word file or something and then press Ctrl V to paste it. No problem with that. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.